morning, student. The first student today is the solid pole consists of a cylindrical height 220 centimeter and base of diameter is 24. Height of this is 220 centimeter and the base is 12 centimeter. Is surmounted by another cylinder of height 60. Another cylinder is fixed and its height is 60 centimeter and the radius is 8 centimeter. Find the mass of pole. Find the mass of pole if 1 centimeter cube is 8 grams. So first of all we have to find the volume of big cylinder plus volume of small cylinder. So pi r square h plus pi r square h. Only pi is common. R is 12 into 12 into h is 220 plus this is r is 8 into 8 into 60. So 20 and value of pi it's written 3.14 into 12 into 12 into 220 31680 plus 3840 plus that will be 314 by 100 into 35520. So answer will be 111,532.8 centimeter cube and 1 centimeter cube is equal to 8 grams. So mass is equal to 111,532.8 into 8 by 1000. So answer will be 892.2624 kg. Question number 2 is the gulab jamun contains the sugar syrup up to about 30 meters of its volume. There is a jar. A gulab jamun contains sugar syrup up to 30% of volume. Sugar syrup is 30% of volume. Find the approximately how much syrup would be 45. How much syrup would be found in 45 gulab jamuns when a gulab jamun is in the shape of cylinder with the hemispherical end and diameter is 2.8 centimeter and the length of gulab jamun is 5 centimeter. So first of all we'll find the volume of gulab jamun will be volume of cylinder plus 2 into volume of hemisphere. Volume of cylinder pi r square h plus 2 into 2 by 3 pi r cube. Pi r square is common, h plus 4 by 3 r. So value of pi will be 22 by 7. Radius is 1.4 by 10. 1.4 by 10. Height 5 minus 2.8 is 2.2 plus 4 by 3. Radius 1.4. So it is 22 by 7 into 14 by 10 into 14 by 10 plus 6.6 plus 5.6 by 3. 22 by 7, 14 by 10 into 14 by 10, this is 11, 12.2 by 3, and after solving this the answer will be 751.52 by 3 centimeter cube. Now number of gulab jamuns are 45. So total volume will be equal to 45 into 7.152 into 3, and sugar syrup, and the volume of sugar syrup is 30%. 30% of 45 into 75.12 by 3. So the answer is 338 centimeter square approximately. Third is engineering student was asked to make the model shaped like a cylinder with the two cones attached at the another end. Cylinder with two cones attached at the end. So the diameter of model is 3 centimeter. Diameter is 3 centimeter and the length is 12 centimeter. If each cone has height of cone is equal to 2 centimeter, find the volume. Find the volume of model. So volume of model will be volume of cylinder plus 2 into volume of cone. Volume of cylinder pi r square h plus 2 by 3 pi r square h. Pi r square is common, that is h plus 2 by 3 h. So this is 22 by 7, radius is 3 by 2 h. Cylinder is, this is 2 and this is 2, 4, this will be 8. 8 plus 2 by 3 into 2. So 22 by 7, 3 by 2 into 3 by 2, 8 3s are 24 plus 4, 28 by 3. This is cancel, this is 4, this is cancel. So answer is 66 centimeter cube. A solid consists of right circular cone height 120 and a radius 120. Radius is, height of cylinder is 120. Consists of a cone, height is this, and radius of standing on hemisphere. So height of hemisphere is 120. This is 60. Is the radius. This is height of cylinder. It is placed upright into a cylindrical cylinder full of water such that its top touch the bottom. Find the volume of water left in cylinder if the radius of cylinder. Radius of cylinder is 60 centimeter and height is 180 centimeter. Even if it's not there, we can find it. So that is the volume of cylinder minus volume of cone minus volume of hemisphere. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h minus 1 upon 3 pi r square h minus 2 by 3 pi r cube. Pi r square is common, h plus, this is different, h plus h by 3 minus h by 3 minus 2 by 3 r. 22 by 7 radius is 60 into 60, h of cylinder is 180 minus cone is 120 minus hemisphere is 2 into 60, again 120. This is by 3, this is by 3. Right, so this into 3600 minus 180, 540 minus 240 divided by 3. So 22 by 7 into 3600 into 300 by 3. So it will be 100, right? So answer will be 1131 centimeter cube or 1.131 meter cube. So that is all.